Nike lying about exclusive access requirements, CPFM Flea 2's sizing is all over the place, and Adidas finally released a forum that we're actually gonna buy. Now, let's talk about the CPFM Flea 2. A lot of us just paid $250 for this sneaker, and we may have got the wrong size. Seth Fowler actually tried these on. Thank you, Seth, for making this video. This man always puts out amazing reviews, and he tried them on and he told us this.
They're actually, I say true to size.
As you can see here, he claimed they are true to size, and he walked around them and showed us they were his true to size. Why is this a big deal? We saw early reviews of these sneakers, and we were being told that they fit a size or a size and a half too big. And that's what people base their sizing off of. They wouldn't pay that $250 price tag in the completely wrong size, so they're about to be stuck with this crazy looking sneaker. Now, sneakers did just shock drop these, so we're gonna have a ton of people getting them in, and let me know how the sizing is when they finally come in the mail. And I'll trust the sizing of CPFM and Nike themselves over any early pairs that we get in this market. And sometimes these early pairs, something seems a little off. Maybe they're fake, maybe they're not. What do you think on that subject? Since we're on the subject of crazy sneakers, we see a brand new big red boot in black. Well, big black boot, that's right, from MSCHF, for $350. Now, this is the third one that we've seen from them. We have the black boot now. We got the big red boot. We all know about this one. We all went for this. It went crazy. And of course, Paris Hilton really pumped up this yellow big red boot. And for me, I'm good. But of course, MSCHF is starting to do a bunch of the marketing for this, and they're getting a lot of impressions. 46,000 likes on this, and this just dropped 21 hours ago. So people seem to like it, but $350, you can miss me on paying for that and waiting a whole month for this shoe to ship. Let me know what you think of the big black boot. Have they overdone it, or are you still liking this concept? Now on to a subject that I didn't think I would ever say. I actually like the Adidas Forum Low. That's right, Adidas is coming out with the Jack-O-Lantern Forum Low. This shoe is giving me amazing vibes. Looks like the material they use is very similar to the Jaritos around that toe box and around the sneaker itself. It even has this little Jack-O-Lantern on the side of the shoe, which I find pretty cool. These are set to release sometime in October. I'm guessing it's going to be closer to Halloween, and overall with how it looks and how it's designed, I think on foot these will look very, very good. If I could take this Jack-O-Lantern off, which I think you can, I'm not 100% sure on them, I'll wear these year round. And now on to a red Panda, which I'm not excited about at all, but I have a lot of people ask me about it. These are going to be $125 and they drop on October 27th. The reason for the price is because Nike, 1, is upping the price on all of their sneakers, and 2, they're using premium materials, as you can see around the shoe. They want to get every excuse they can to up that retail price, and for me, I don't think this material is enough for me to buy the shoe. I don't like the way it looks, but I know some of y'all are going to put some crazy fits together on these. And now a shoe that I'm staying far, far away from, and I always will, is the new Off-White Air Force 1 Mid. This colorway is called the Varsity Maize, and we expect to see this sometime in November. They're saying November 25th, but this could always change. Me personally, Air Force 1 Mids aren't it for me. Then you throw the spikes and the crazy looks that Off-White bring, and you can miss me completely. This is just not my style. Like I said, I know some of y'all can make this stuff work, but let me know, what's your actual thoughts on this shoe? It obviously won't resell. It even comes in a brick box to show that it won't resell, but it's gonna be a good personal for some of you guys. Now, good news for those of you guys that are wanting the Off Noir Jordan 3s. They've actually been moved up to November 15th, so we're getting them sooner than expected. This is actually a women's release, so just know the biggest size will be a 10.5 men's. As we scroll through here, you know they're gonna be $200, dropping November 15th, and honestly, the colorway is great. It's gonna go with everything. I think that's why people are hyped for these. I actually get a lot of questions about these on my live stream, so I think this is gonna be really, really good news. This should be a GR. Expect to see this all around. I'm talking it's gonna be on sneakers. It's gonna be on Finish Line, JD Sports, Hibbett, all those places. So if you're gonna buy the shoe, use your discounts. Yes, JD Sports, Finish Line allows you to use discounts. So does Hibbett. So make sure you guys know how to use those discounts. And now we're jumping over to 2024. I know this is really far out and a lot can change. This is a Z Sneakers render. We have the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. That's right. They're releasing in May of 2024, and they're giving me the SB4 green colorway on the back, and I think that's why people may actually like them. For me personally, this isn't something that I like. I think this may bring some attention. As they say right here, mark your calendar as May 25th of 2024. These are going to drop for $210. Now, this is really far out and this can always change, but this may be a shoe that people really like, and it may be a cheaper alternative to your SB4. It's really hard to compare the two, but I'm just comparing it because of that green. Now, a shoe that I typically wouldn't include in this, but I had to because the band that Adidas is collabing with is one that I used to really like. That's right, Adidas Originals is collabing with Korn, the rock band. On October 27th, we'll be seeing them release 2 pairs. We are getting a white version and we are getting a black version. Personally, for me, I like the black version more, and one of my favorite Korn songs is Coming Undone. Now, another sneaker for 2024, we have the Kobe 8 Protro Core Purple. This sneaker is starting to surface around the internet, and these are set to release on February 8th of 2024. I personally don't like this colorway of the Kobe's, but I know some people will, and we are getting really excited as Kobe's are returning to the market. You can see all the way around the details that they actually have. Now, these are just mock-ups, so this could always change, but it's always kind of cool to see these early versions and compare them to what actually drops on the actual release date. Another thing I wanted to add in here yet, I don't have any screenshots or anything, but for the Cherry Jordan 12s, be expecting now that this video is live, there's wristbands at your local DSGs. What this means is you go walk in, you give them your name and your number, and you can sign up to secure your pair. They drop next weekend, October 28th, so we're expecting the wristbands to go live on Saturday. So be watching for these. I know this video may be a little late for this information, but you never know, your stores may still have some if your local area doesn't know about it. Just use this to your advantage, and just keep watching the DSG calendar for any of the wristbands. They will actually give you what states have them and what stores, and this is one of the best ways to grab a pair for retail. And don't forget, if you do actually shop at DSG, there's coupons you can use on your release day sneakers, and that'll make the price a little bit cheaper on those Cherry 12s. Now finally, Nike is lying to us about sneakers exclusive access criteria. I've been calling cap on this for the longest time, and my point and everyone else's point was proven right here, and it proves it right here that people had exclusive access to the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines that have both hit the Reimagined 3s and hit the patent bred Jordan 1. There were accounts that met that criteria for the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagines, and they didn't get exclusive access, while new accounts that didn't go for either the patent breds or the reimagined Jordan 3 got access. Nike is lying to us. One thing they didn't lie about is they did roll out access throughout the day. We saw a wave at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, one later in the day, and another one later than that, because I kept getting messages saying, hey, I got exclusive access. I'm super excited. Congrats to everyone that got exclusive access on the Royal Reimagined 1, but Nike is definitely lying about their criteria. It's good to make people happy and make people think, oh wow, they're actually trying to filter out people. I think Nike at the end of the day is just trying to hit those sales numbers, and that exclusive access is still randomly generated all throughout these accounts. I think that's how it's going down. I personally still didn't get access, and I met the criteria, but it is what it is. I'm not upset, but I thought I might bring it into this video because I see it going around the community. I saw it posted on Twitter. I saw people talking about it in cook groups. I saw all of that. But guys, that is what's going down. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We did drop this video on Saturday because tomorrow, actually on Sunday, you will be seeing my sneaker collection video. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.